Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Windows security not working in Windows 11 computers. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix Windows security not working in Windows 11 computer, first of all in search type Windows security. Click to open the Windows security. Look, Windows security is not responding. Now I am going to fix this issue. In search type PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Windows PowerShell has been opened. Copy this command and I will post this command in description so that you use this command from there. Get-AppxPackage Microsoft.SecHealthUI all users Reset-AppxPackage. Now hit enter. Command has been executed successfully. Now close PowerShell and now you need to restart your computer. Click on Start menu, click on Power and then click on Restart. After restarting the computer, I am going to check in search type Windows Security. Click on Open to open the Windows Security. Now Windows Security is working properly in my Windows 11 computers. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.